looking for a special gift, something different for your loved one? Or are they visiting Japan soon? How about a short Japanese course? You can choose from Basic Japanese Visitor and Basic Japanese Learner and send as a gift. Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher, and I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. I've created gift Japanese courses for your loved one. Visitor course is for a conversation at a restaurant and a shop. Confidently order food at restaurant and cafe. Easily buy daily goods and souvenirs at shop. Interact with restaurants and shop staff like a native speaker. A month course with 31 lesson video. Each lesson has introduction, practice, and conversation challenge video. It's a £10 gift. The learner course is for sightseeing and daily conversation. Talk about events and plans, ask for directions, make Japanese friends, and more. It's also a month course but with free access for 77 lessons. Each lesson has introduction, practice, model conversation, and conversation challenge video. It's a £20 gift. Send as a gift from www.araiacademy.com/gift a course. Let's surprise your loved one.